Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financiable. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to download PayPal on your device. So to get started, let's open App Store. And here search PayPal. Tap on search button. So here you can see PayPal in first. So click on Get button in order to download PayPal on your device. Here give your Apple ID password and tap on Sign In button. Now your download process has been started. Now your PayPal app is successfully installed. Tap on Open. So here you can see your PayPal app has been successfully downloaded. So that wraps for today. If you guys liked this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.